Condensate is an extremely light form of oil which mostly occurs as a byproduct of natural gas production. Whether or not condensate is liquid or gaseous depends on temperature and pressure. It is mostly transparent and is almost odorless. Condensate is sometimes called white oil and is mostly used to make vehicle fuel such as gasoline. It is therefore sometimes called natural gasoline. It is also used to make products like plastic in the petrochemical sector. Before it can be used, condensate has to be stabilized by removing vapor pressure and other elements. Operating in areas where condensate has escaped is dangerous for people due to the danger of explosions, oxygen displacement, and the threat of asphyxiating and anesthetizing. When forming a spill, it is considered to be dangerous due to its toxicity and because it's difficult to contain and manage. However, it dissipates and breaks down more easily than heavier oils.